kung saan mo gusto magtrabaho, bala ka sa buhay mo, and still earn money. For my first video, I will answer some of the common questions na tinatanong sa akin about home base. Ano ba yung home base? So, let's start with the basics, no? Ano nga ba yung home-based job? So basically, this is working remotely or outside a traditional office. It can be in the comfort of your home, or it can be when you're traveling. Basically, anywhere you want, kung saan mo gusto magtrabaho, bala ka sa buhay mo, and still earn money. So that's a home-based job. And actually, medyo dumadami na tayo dito sa Pilipinas, and that's also why I started this channel, because I wanted to help out those people that wanna start a home-based career but don't know how. Now, marami kasing iba't ibang services na pwede kang i-offer when you're working from home. I particularly want to reach out to those who want to become a virtual assistant. So ano nga ba yung virtual assistant? Virtual assistant is an independent contractor like yourself that provides administrative services to clients while you're operating from your home, or like I said, anywhere you want. So basically, you are making your clients' lives easier. So yun yung virtual assistant. Ginagawa mo yung dapat gagawin nila, pero babayaran ka nila para mas maging madali yung buhay nila. Ganon. Like for me, ako ang ginagawa ko is nagtatawag ako for my clients because they don't have time to make calls anymore. So I do the calling and give them, help them out with the return of investment. And so basically yun. So how is that possible? Another question that I get. Well, basically most of the clients that I had were from outside the Philippines. Syempre, para mas malaki yung kita. Anyway, personally, in my experience, my clients were from US, UK, Australia, Canada, and how do I get connected with them? Basically, you connect with them directly through a platform. Ikaw mismo yung lalapit sa kanila or mag-a-apply sa pinost nilang trabaho through a platform. In my experience, I am using Upwork. So you can visit upwork.com for more details. So in there, you'll be connecting with the clients and you'll be creating your profile. Gagawa ka ng profile mo. And paggawa mo ng profile mo, mag-reach out ka sa client, pa makikita ko doon ng mga work, available work, and i-click mo lang yun, mag-a-apply ka. So, para lang siyang Shopee, 'di ba? Shopee, andyan yung app. So, lahat ng mga sellers nandun, ikaw si buyer, gagawa ka rin ng account mo, and then mag-reach out ka dun sa seller. It's the same concept. Okay? So, if you want to create an account in Upwork, you can visit upwork.com for more details. Pero marami pang mga ibang platform dyan na pwede kang gamitin. Ako lang personally, yung Upwork yung ginagamit ko. Now, next question. Third question na meron tayo is, um, magkano ba ang salary dyan? So, this is my most favorite question na nakukuha ko from people. Every time they hear, ano ba yung trabaho mo, you work from home, magkano ba sinasahod dyan? Hindi ka naman siguro alos dyan kung mababa lang yung sahod. So, to answer the question, depende sa'yo. Depende sa'yo kung um, magkano yung gusto mong talent fee. So, starting usually nakikita ko mga $3 to $5 per hour. Ako personally, I started with $3 way back in 2015. So, depende sa yan. Kung magkano yung gusto mong maging rate mo, ikaw magde-decide. And, depende rin sa pangangailangan mo, depende sa experience mo, depende yan sa lahat. So, ikaw lang makakasagot niyan kung magkano gusto mong maging salary. And next question, how many hours ba dapat mag-work if you're working from home? Again, depende rin sa yan. May mga iba nagtatrabaho lang sila 4 to 5 hours. May mga iba naman nagtatrabaho 8 hours. May mga iba naman katulad ko na hapitan, after 8 hours, meron pang ibang racket. So, depende sa'yo. Kaya nga, freelancer, you're free to choose more clients. It's up to you. Basta kaya mo. Okay? When I was starting, I remember at one point I had 9 jobs. Imagine. 9 jobs. And I was able to manage it. Nabibigay ko naman yung mga kailangan ng mga kliyente kasi importante yon. But of course, you don't want to compromise your health at the same time. So, depende sa iyo kung gaano karaming hours ka magtatrabaho. Last question na nakukuha ko is, paano ka binabayaran? Depende rin sa'yo yan kung paano mo gustong bayaran. Pwede kang bayaran through direct bank, bank to bank. So, si client, diretso i-deposit sa bank mo. That's through Upwork, though. They can pay you through PayPal. Maraming payment options for you. So, depende sa'yo yan. I am gonna create a different video also for that kasi it's a long topic. So, depende. Pero to answer your question, paano ako binabayaran? Personally, I get paid directly to my bank. So, after, pag nag-withdraw na ako sa Upwork, idediretso nila yon sa bangko ko. May mga ibang clients din ako nakatrabaho before, direct kami, direct na nila akong binabayaran sa PayPal, and from PayPal, i-withdraw ko yun sa um, aking bank account. So that's it for now. That's my video, and hopefully you liked it. And if you did, please hit like and do subscribe to my channel for more home based work tips and sales advice. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!